Hello guys, in this video we are going to solve integral e to the power of x within bracket tan x plus ln sec x. As the first step, we can remove the bracket. First one e to the power of x tan x plus second one e to the power of x ln sec x. Then we can consider integral sign separately. First one integral ex tan x plus ex ln sec x. Now, to simplify e to the power of x ln sec x part, we can use integration by parts method. We know integration of the e to the power of x, but we don't know integration of the ln sec x. So we can give priority for e to the power of x. So we can write e to the power of x ln sec x minus integral e to the power of x. Now differentiation of the ln sec x. Differentiation of the ln sec x we can write as 1 over sec x into differentiation of the sec x we can write as sec x tan x. Now we can cancel out denominator sec x value and numerator sec x value. Now we have integral e to the power of x tan x plus e to the power of x ln sec x minus integral e to the power of x tan x. We can cancel out integral e to the power of x tan x 4 minus integral e to the power of x tan x value. Then we can get answer e to the power of x ln x. So we have final answer e to the power of x ln x plus c. Here c is an arbitrary constant.